Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change search engine into your Google Chrome browser in a very simple way. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first, you just need to come over into your three dot over here. You can see, just now come over into the settings options, click on that. And after that, you will get an option called search engine at the left side. Click on that. And then you will get an option called change over here. Click on that, and from here you can choose any of your preferable search engine, just like I'm choosing Yahoo over here, and click on set as default. And if you click on manage search engine and site setting, we can send some of search tab over here. So now if you create a new tab, you can see this tab is looking Yahoo. And yeah, this is how you can change the search engine into your Google Chrome in a very simple way. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.